fourth week of 5 weeks of East Coast Swing Charleston. It's our first Charleston lesson, and we learned 3 different types of Charleston. The basic, 20s Charleston, and then basic partner Charleston. Okay, so it's an 8-count dance, and the pattern, we're going to go forward, forward, backwards, and backwards, forward, forward, backward, back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Do it again. We're going to leave the other leg if you want to start counting that way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Forward, backward, backward, and forward, forward, backward, backward, and forward. We're going to use that same pattern. This time we're going to make it 20s Charleston, kind of using that 5th position from ballet. So I'll start from just for casual, really easy stepping 8-count Charleston. And I'm going to go, whoop, there we go. And I'm going to go backward. And then I'm going to go backward. And then I'm going to come forward. And I'll do it a little faster. Backward, forward, forward, and backwards. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We can even do this with a partner. Enter screen. So we can do our basic Charleston. Just 7 Charleston. With a partner. And we can throw in some 20s Charleston. We can go back to the basic. And then we can go back to 20s. Alright, so in our third and final one, if you would like to stay, I'll let you do follows footwork. Okay. So lead to the left, follows lead with the right. Okay? And it's gonna still 8-count dance. And we're gonna step backwards. We're gonna kick forward and land. We're gonna kick forward again. We're gonna hinge and kick backwards and land. We'll do it a little faster. We'll go back, step, kick forward, kick backwards, land. Back, step, kick forward, kick backwards, land. And that is your Charleston tutorial. Good evening. All right, thank you so much.